Hi, welcome to a GNL Reacts video. Today, we are going to watch the Chainsaw Man opening for the first time.
Woo!
First time.
All right, play that video.
Oh. Oops.
Okay. That was lewd. Or maybe that was just me.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's you.
There's a lot going on, yo.
Yeah, the flashes of a ton.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Puggy, how'd you?
I like the art of it.
Yeah.
Like, it's very, I don't know how to explain it, but like it's just really clean.
Yeah.
The art and the
Mappa did
animation
this, right?
is done so well.
The animation.
I'm pretty sure.
That's
Yeah.
forward.
Yeah, the art and the animation
it.
is really well done for sure. I really like the song. There's the same song that they use in the trailer that we also reacted to. So it's just good. Did
you get any movie references from the trailer?
Oh, like to just like other movies?
Yeah, the specific scenes in this intro is from different movies.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah,
That's cool.
they're all movie references. Yeah.
Can you point one out or?
I can, but like, there's like a list of like they'll show like the scenes side by side. Yeah.
I like the just like the random like maybe it's just me, but like I like the like Denji with the ball. Like I just like the random lewd things that just show up because that's really what Chainsaw Man is like it's pretty lewd. It can be pretty lewd.
I'm gonna watch it now.
You should, honestly, you would love it.
It's very short. There's only like what, 12 episodes or something?
I think so, yeah.
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 20 minutes each.
Reader, so
yeah.
I don't actually know.
Oh shit. I'll finish it tomorrow.
Yeah, that's an easy finish. But yeah, I think it was cool that you could see like the characters' personalities and just the opening. It's cool.
Yeah, and the fight scenes are really sick too.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below and let us know what you would like us to react to next. Bye.
Bye.